There are so many people.
システム連携で見える化の提案っていうのをさせてもらいます。
Mitsubishi is targeting world number one FA company. NEC, one of the biggest IT company in Japan, is famous for face recognition with AI. Siemens made Industry 4.0, but they don't appeal it in Japan. Why? Japanese companies. Tecnoa sells production management system focusing on make-to-order production. Patron. You've probably seen this signal tower in factories. Visualization. This company, Motion Board, is very famous. I'm interested in 3D printers. HP's new machine, Carbon 3D, famous for Adidas shoes. Oh, fine work. Look at another fall. So many booths and people. Ooh.